Hi there. Today we're going to make a paper sculpture, and a sculpture is just a work of art that stands up on its own. So we're going to have a base, and we're going to use some strips of paper to try to make an interesting sculpture. But before I start, I'm going to make sure I put my name on the back and my class code. So your name on it and your class code underneath so we don't lose it. Flip it over, and I'm going to take some paper and I'm going to start trying to make it stand up on my base. So if I set my paper like this, it's just going to fall over, and that's not much of a sculpture. So I have to do some things to the paper to get it to stand up. So I've got my glue here, and before you start, you're going to turn the orange part. See that? And you might have to pick the dry glue off the end. And then that's how you open your glue, just like that. See where it's open right there? So then the glue will come out. So I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to start to fold it. So if I take the end and I just fold it like this, I'll have a little foot. And I can glue that down, and that'll help my paper stand up. But just like you, we're probably going to use 2 feet, and that will make it a lot more stable. So I'm going to fold the other end, and then I'll just put little dots of glue, and I'm going to pinch and hold for 10 seconds. So I've got to count to 10. So I'm putting little dots, and if you put puddles, it won't work. It'll just be too wet and soggy, and it won't stay, and your sculpture will fall over. So just make sure that you put little dots, and then we're going to pinch and hold really tight and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then when you let go, your sculpture should be able to stand on its own. But we don't have to just make feet and rainbow shapes or arcs. This is called an arc or an arch. You can also roll the paper and make a ring out of it. So if I put a little dot of glue on the end and roll it up like this and connect it just like that, I'm going to pinch and hold it together, and I'm going to count to 10. I'm counting in my head right now. And I'm pinching it really tight. Just like on the feet on the blue paper, I use just little tiny dots. And I'm just holding it very tight, and I'm counting to 10. And look, it stays. It's a ring. Pretty cool. I could set that like that. That would stay. It looks like a crown. I could put it underneath like that. Almost looks like a wheel. I think I'm going to glue it on top. So again, I need a little dot, just a dot, not a lot. Find where you want to put your paper form. Form just means a 3D object in art. And you use forms to make sculptures. So once you find where you want to put it, you're just going to pinch and hold. And ta-da! It stands. Pretty cool. That's the good sculpture. It's starting to look like something. I don't know what though. It's kind of abstract. Here's one more thing you can do with the paper. Alright, if I take it, just like when we made a foot, and I fold it like this, I can flip the paper over, and I can fold it again, so it almost made like a Z shape, like a zigzag. And I'm going to keep folding and flipping and folding and flipping, and this takes a while, but it's called an accordion fold. I don't know if you've ever seen an accordion, but it's a musical instrument that you squeeze, and in the middle you've got this almost like fabric that is folded like this, so you can squeeze it in and out. So just like this, that's an accordion fold. Boing, boing. That's fun. Almost looks like steps. I think I'll glue it down so I've got steps that lead up to the top part of my sculpture. So I'll put a little dot of glue here, not much. Little dot of glue at the bottom, and just like before, we're going to take our paper and hold it and pinch it tight, and we're going to count to 10. I already started. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at that. That's pretty cool. I use primary colors, but you could use any colors you want. And I bet you could even find ways to fold and roll the paper that I didn't even think of. And the taller your sculpture is, the more interesting it'll be. So I'm going to let you guys create now, Just make sure when you're done you close the glue just by turning the orange part. That means the glue will last all year. Okay? So work hard and have fun.